Combo Airplane out to the rescue. Al rescate. Where's Combo? He's missing. Combo, ¿dónde estás? Oh, oh no! Who's gonna come rescue my car? I'm stuck. Help me, help me. I can't move forward. Woo! That was close. I made it out safe. Thank you, Combo Airplane. Woohoo! Oh no, another car is going back in the... He's stuck too. Combo, where are you? Combo, al rescate. What happened? Oh no, can we not help this car? Oh, that one has an open window, this one doesn't? Oh no, what should we do next? Oh no, I got more stuck. Help! Help! Combo's doing his best to save the day from ooey gooey glittery slime on the road. Yay! Good job, Combo. Gracias, Combo. Thank you for your help.
How more cars?
No. Guess what? Guess who's coming to the rescue? I don't get stuck in ooey gooey slime. I'm a big red truck with big red round wheels.
This has no wheel.
Oh, that's another cool wheel. Look at that. It flips over?
Yeah, it can drive.
Wow. Is that like a monster truck?
Yeah, it has not a wheel.
It has how many wheels? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wheels. 5 wheels. That is pretty cool. Should we count the wheels on the car? On the small car?
Okay.
Okay, ready? Let's count. Ready? 1, 2,
Pizza.
3, 4. 4 wheels.
Look, look.
Wow, he can drive over it now. That is amazing.
What's the outside? It drives too.
It drives.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Slimy slime.
And you get slave.
Oh no, what is Buzz Lightyear saying? Oh no! He got Buzz Lightyear. How is he going to save the day? Oh, wow. Mr. Big Red Hulk is coming to the rescue. I will save you.
Whoop. Ugh. Over here. Look, it has another.
Yay! He saved the day again. Buen trabajo. Good work, team. Oh no, is he getting attacked by the glittery purple slime?
No, we can't end.
Oh no! No!
No. It's just put in right here.
Can you show us what you're doing?
Yeah.
Let's take a look. He is storing the purple glittery slime so it doesn't hurt anyone anymore.
This is our this. Come on. And this is our.
He is saving the day.
No. Yeah, hot jetpack.
Whoa. Hey, I'm your car. Let's go to the beach.
Yeah.
Okay, hop on my car. Let's go to the beach, to the playa. Bzz. Oh no! Here, let me get you again.
Oh.
Ready? Let's go, friend. Oh no! Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
What happened?
Okay.
Did you save him? I am back. I am okay. He's okay. I need a rest. Let me lay down for a second.
Lay down for a second.
Let's lay down for a second. I need a nap. Phew. Phew. Let's nap together. It's morning time. I am up and ready to go. Let's go in an adventure.
Yeah. About me.
Woo! An helicóptero is coming. The helicopter's coming.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Look.
The purple slime. It's turned into good slime.
Yeah, goose slime.
Ready? Let's get it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is it out yet?
No.
It's almost out.
Almost.
That is beautiful slime. Whoa! That is good slime.
Yeah, I do.
Good slime. What does good slime do?
What does goose slime do?
It doesn't get car stuck anywhere, and it's best friends with Buzz Lightyear. Is that right? They are mejores amigos.
Look, it can drive now.
It can drive over it. I like you, slime. You're really nice. You're very fun and squishy to play with. Woohoo!
When take me beach, pizza?
Yes.
I don't know.
Oh, I don't think it fits. Is it too big or too small?
Too big.
The car is too big. It is too big. There you go. Nicely done.
Oh, maybe to a helicopter?
Is the helicopter too big or too small?
Look, it can fit.
It could fit. So is it the perfect size? Oh no! He knocked him down. Are you okay?
Okay.
Okay. Bzz. Let's take a ride with me. Let's go, friends.
Oh, yep.